Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 2 computer parts. In this chapter we will learn parts of computer, function of computer parts, attaching a UPS with a computer, various size of computers. So let's start. Students, as we all know, our body has different parts like head, nose, hands, legs, foot, arm, ears, eyes, etc. Same as this, computer is also made up of the following parts like monitor, CPU cabinet, keyboard, mouse, speaker, etc. Now students, I am going to show you in the picture. This device is called monitor. This is called speaker. This is keyboard. This is mouse, and this is cabinet or CPU box. Clear? Now, function of computer parts. Let us understand the function of each of the computer part. Number 1, CPU cabinet. A CPU solves problems and makes decisions for the computer. What is the full form of CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. As you can see, this chip is called CPU and this is CPU box. This chip is fixed or CPU is fixed inside the CPU box. Now, monitor. The monitor looks almost like a TV and has a screen in front. These days, thick flat screen monitors are available that provide a very clear display for the user. Monitor allows you to see what you are doing on the computer. One more thing that is very important, a monitor is an output device. Now, keyboard. The keyboard has keys for alphabets, numbers, and signs. Pressing the keys to write something on a computer is called typing. Keyboard is used to type by pressing various keys on it, like alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, or different special keys. Mouse. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons and there may be a scrolling wheel between the 2 buttons. The mouse has a pointer linked to it on the screen which moves in the direction in which the mouse is moved. It has 2 buttons, left button, right button, and 1 scroll wheel as you can see on the picture. This is called left button. I am going to show you. This is left button, this is right button, and this is black button is called scroll wheel. Clear? Now, a mouse is a pointing device and used for pointing and clicking. Pointing the mouse, pointing, clicking, double clicking, dragging, pointing. Pointing is to bring the mouse pointer where you want to point. Clicking. Clicking is to press the mouse button and release it quickly. Double clicking. Double clicking is to click twice quickly. Dragging. Dragging is to hold down the mouse button and move the mouse. This action is also called drag and drop. Students, I am going to explain you drag and drop with one example. One student is asking, how should I do the drag and drop action? So let's see. Hold the left mouse button, move the mouse on the mouse pad, leave the mouse button. This is drag and drop. Speakers. Computer speakers are just like stereo speakers. They are usually 2 in numbers and come in various sizes. Speakers help us to hear the sound produced by our computer, and speakers are output devices. UPS. When the electricity goes off, a computer stops working. We can use a UPS so that our computer does not switch off suddenly. UPS is a path through which a computer is plugged into the power supply. What is the meaning of UPS? Uninterrupted power supply. Various size of computers. Number 1, desktop. A desktop computer is a large size computer that is placed on a desk in an office or home. It is not portable. It means we cannot take it from one place to another easily. Now, laptop. Laptop is a small size portable computer that can be placed on your lap. It is portable. It means we can take a laptop from one place to another easily. Now, handheld. Handheld computer is small enough to be held in one hand. These are also called pocket PCs or palm tops. These days, the latest mobile phones also have features of a computer and are called smartphones. You can add games and other applications on these smartphones like you do on a computer. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, you can like and subscribe the channel.